Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Bashir Altaf, and the topic of this video is what it means by other or other. So I am going to explain this concept. This concept, other or othering, basically belong to the post-colonial theory. As I defined in my last video also, that the Europeans think themselves superior and they marginalized all the other world. So they think they're colonizers. They are the colonizers who made colonies. So the colonizers saw themselves as the embodiment of what a human being should be, the proper self. They think about themselves as the proper human being or the proper self. Native people were considered other, different, and therefore inferior to the point of being less than fully human. This practice of judging all who are different at less than fully human is called othering. And it divides the world between us, the civilized, and them. The others are savages. The savages usually considered evil as well as inferior, the demonic other. But sometimes the savage is perceived as possessing a primitive beauty or nobility born of a closeness to the nature. It is called the exotic other. In either case, whether it is a demonic other or exotic other, in either case, however, the savage remains other and therefore not fully human.